If you're responsible for keeping a facility clean, safe, and running without interruption, you already know your floors take a beating every single day. Heavy traffic, spills, wear, over time, it all adds up. And eventually, patchwork repairs just don't cut it anymore. That's where Resinous 123 comes in. This is a flooring system designed to handle real-world demands. It bonds directly to your concrete, creating a seamless, durable surface that stands up to chemicals, impact, and constant use. But strength is only part of the story. Resinous 123 also gives you a clean, professional finish that's easy to maintain. No cracks to trap dirt. No constant touch-ups. And when downtime matters, speed matters. This system is built for efficient installation, so you can get back to business without unnecessary delays. If you're looking for a long-term solution, not a temporary fix, Resinous 123 delivers reliability you can count on. Because your facility deserves a floor that performs.